got buttermilk. Hey y'all, welcome to Dora's Garden once again. In today's video, I will be doing a I tried following video, okay? I seen the trend going on YouTube and I said, hey, I got to give it a try. Now, I have chosen to do one of many, but she is like the #1 YouTuber that I started following ever since I started my natural hair journey, and I'll make sure that I'll do a backstory on that. But yes, her name is, well, the name of her channel is FusionofCultures, but her name is Laila, and I'll make sure to leave in the description box a link to her channel. A few things about Laila, okay? #1, you cannot deny that she has natural hair goals, okay? She has beautiful long hair. I love it. Not to mention she's very creative with her hairstyles. I mean, she just gives me a lot of hair inspiration. She's gorgeous. So anyways, the video that I've selected is a crown updo. Now this video and style in particular is supposed to symbolize the Egyptian queen Nefertiti, and I thought it was perfect because #1, Black History Month has passed. Black Panther came out, okay? Yay! That's what made me gravitate towards this particular style. So, without further ado, let's get the video started.
Hey guys, so you want to start with fresh, clean hair, and you want to create a straight part going all the way down.
One thing about Laila is she's always using her hair stick. But for me, I will be using the end of a comb. Long story short, I don't know. I guess I tried to run the comb through my hair, and this is a fine tooth comb, and it broke off. But guess what? The end comes in handy, all right?
Full section. As you can see, mine isn't straight, but that's okay. Ideally, you do want yours to be straight, just because it looks better.
Moisturizer, I'll be using my whipped shea butter, which is now back in stock on my Etsy, link in the bio.
Now, I don't have my own whipped shea butter, but I do have the Carol's Daughter Mimosa hair honey. This stuff is really good.
Now back in stock on my Etsy, link in the bio. Then you just want to go ahead and brush the perimeter of your hair lightly with a ball bristle brush. And today we're going to be using hairpins to secure our French roll.
From the video, it looks like the way that she pins it in place is that she takes one end of the hairpin, stick it on one side of the roll, and then stick the other end of the pin on the other side and secure it down. So that's what it looks like to me.
I think I want you back. You want to French roll your hair all the way up, and ideally you want to stay as close to the part as possible. Hey, I think I want you back. Hey, won't you take my hand? Hey, won't you take me? As you guys can see, because my part is wonky, it doesn't look as close to this part as possible. And follow the exact same steps. This is a super simple hairstyle, guys. It literally takes like 2 seconds and it looks absolutely beautiful. Everything I have is all because of you. Once you're done, you want to return back to your first section. This can be either your left or your right, and you want to continue to twist all the way to the end and then tuck it on the opposite side. Once again, to make this a full round protective hairstyle, be sure to tuck your ends in completely and secure with a bobby pin.
And then what I like to do is just go back and mist my hair lightly just to set it. I do like this look to be polished, but not necessarily sleek, so I don't use any gel. However, feel free to go ahead and use some gel if you prefer.
Of ways to bring out the strength from within, yes. Blessed, so blessed with a mentality.
And that's it, guys. Super simple, and it looks absolutely beautiful. If you enjoyed this tutorial, Be sure to give it a thumbs up and of course subscribe if you're not subscribed already.
Oh man, I forgot to ask you guys, am I the only one who hasn't seen Black Panther yet? Please let me know that I'm not the only one. I mean, I wanted to go see it with everybody, but I said, look, it'll probably be sold out and, you know, there's other factors into it. But guess what, guys? I will be seeing it very soon. Not on bootleg, not on the Fire Stick, not on these free websites. I will be paying my coins to see Black Panther. All right, y'all. All right, guys. So this completes today's video. And make sure you check out the description box. It'll have the link to Laila's channel. And it also have the link to this particular tutorial. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like button, share it. Make sure you press the bell so you will be notified every time I upload a video. And thanks for watching, guys.